JEE MAIN 2026, 2nd April Shift 2, Physics Section A, Question 37. Let's visualize the electromagnetic wave. An M wave travels along the x direction in free space. The electric field E and magnetic field B oscillate perpendicular to each other and perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Here, B is along the j hat direction, shown in blue, and E oscillates in the k hat plane, shown in red. Notice how E and B are always at right angles to each other. The question states, an electromagnetic wave travels in free space along the x direction. At a particular point in space and time, B equals to times 10 to the power minus 7, j hat Tesla, is associated with this wave. The value of corresponding E at this point is blank volts per meter. The options are A, 60 k hat, B, minus 60 k hat, C, 30 k hat, D, minus 600 k hat. The key concept is the relationship between E and B in an electromagnetic wave. First, the magnitude E equals C times B, where C is the speed of light, 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Second, the direction E cross B must point along the direction of wave propagation. In other words, E hat cross B hat equals V hat, the propagation direction. This is a crucial rule for determining the direction of the electric field. Step 1. Find the magnitude of E. We are given B equals to times 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla. Using E equals C times B, we substitute 3 times 10 to the 8 multiplied by 2 times 10 to the minus 7. Computing this gives us E equals 60 volts per meter. Step 2. Find the direction of E. The wave propagates along I hat. B is along j hat. We need E cross B to equal the propagation direction I hat. Let's test. If E is along plus k hat, then k hat cross j hat gives minus I hat. That's the wrong direction. Now if E is along minus k hat, then minus k hat cross j hat gives plus I hat. That matches the propagation direction. So E must be along the minus k hat direction. Step 3. Combining magnitude and direction, the magnitude of E is 60 volts per meter and the direction is minus k hat. Therefore, E equals minus 60 k hat volts per meter. The electric field at that point is minus 60 k hat volts per meter. The correct answer is option B. Here are some exam tips. Remember these M wave formulae. The magnitude of E equals C times B. E cross B is along the propagation direction. The speed of light C equals 1 over square root of mu naught epsilon naught. And the ratio E over B always equals C. A quick trick for finding direction, use the right hand rule. Curl your fingers from E to B, and your thumb points along the direction of propagation. Also remember the cyclic cross products, I cross J equals K, J cross K equals I, K cross I equals J. Like and subscribe for more JEE MAIN solutions at MAGPIEHUB.